Midnight snack of the day, kahit hindi pa midnight. Homemade popcorn as the base. Marami pa akong popcorn sa kaldero, pero baka hindi magkasya to. So, pang refill na lang yun. Crisscross creamy cheese flavor. I've tried this so many times already. Makatotohanan yung pangalan ng flavor nila, which is creamy cheese. It does taste like creamy cheese. And it's so cute. 8 out of 10. Pag nakarami lang nun, pag bumibili ako ng malaki, gasgas ng gasgas yung dila ko. So, 7 to 8 out of 10 siya. Crunch. Yun yung pangalan niya. Cheese crunch flavor. Ba't ulit ang crunch? Huh? Hindi ko gets yung itsura niya. Para siyang puff pastry. Taste test. Now that is crunchy. Parang gusto kong mabigla ng ASMR video. Sarap. New discovery. 8.3 out of 10. Yung cheese niya, very nostalgic sa akin kasi nung mas bata ako, mga high school to first year college, mahilig ako kumain ng cheese na cornic, pati yung sweet corn na flavor. At parang ito yung lasa niya, kaya medyo mataas yung score ko dito. And you know me, kung di pa halata, I love crunchy food. Sana may iba pa silang flavor. Share ko na rin pala yung pinapanood ko. Hindi ako masyado mahilig sa K-drama, but this series is getting me hooked. Episode 3 pa lang ako, but I can't stop watching it. Enjoy your night, lovelies. Bye-bye.